Charlie and Lola, My Wobbly Tooth Must Not Ever, Never Fall Out. Written by Lauren Child. Retold by Payton. Charlie has a little sister Lola, who is small and very funny. She has her first wobbly tooth. But Lola doesn't want to lose her tooth. She needs them. But Lola doesn't yet know the tooth fairy comes and swaps her tooth for a shiny coin. When Lola, Lola's friend, comes with her toy chicken, she says how the tooth fairy gave her a coin for her tooth. Lola is now adamant to pull out her tooth for her own coin. Lotta and Lola want to start their own farm with their own toy giraffes and chickens. Finally, Lola's tooth has fallen out after biting into an apple. Lotta tells Lola to put her tooth under her pillow at night so the tooth fairy can find it. In the morning, Lola's tooth is gone, but a shiny gold coin has taken its place. That morning, Lotta comes with her toy chicken again. But can Lola get her giraffe? Check out Charlie and Lola's My Wobbly Tooth Must Not Ever, Never Fall Out.